So, I generally stay away from politics. However, this morning I'm recording this video for Trump and Kamala to explain themselves. If you know me and you know one of them, please make sure they see this video. I'm very concerned that everyone who is running our government has no clue how it actually works. So let's talk about this for a moment, no tax on tips, and what that actually means. First of all, the server. Anyone who has been or worked in a restaurant knows that all those tips are already not being claimed. So we're already not paying taxes on a tremendous amount of tips. Two, the server. If there's no tax on tips, does that mean federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare tax? How is that going to impact the server's Social Security benefit, both disability and retirement? In addition to that, how are they going to be able to buy a house if their income is no longer being reported on their tax return? Good luck proving that income, mortgage brokers. And how would no tax on tips impact the restaurant owners? Currently, restaurant owners, you're getting a very large credit for paying taxes on those tips. When that credit goes away, your tax bill is going to be higher. In addition to that, no one at your restaurant is going to want to be a cook. No one's going to want to be a manager. I was previously a server, and I was consistently asked to become a manager, and I refused because I would have been taking a pay cut. I made more money as a server. So now, if we could move to no tax on tips, then the server, who already makes more money than anyone else in the building, it's now going to be tax-free as well. Who would want any other position in a restaurant? What is that going to do to the workforce of this industry? How is this going to impact the tax industry? So yet again, we're going to make a change right in the middle of tax season. Our tax industry is overburdened, underserved, and way too complicated for anyone to understand to begin with. And we're just adding more complication onto that. Finally, I believe it was Benjamin Franklin who said, when the people find that they can vote in money, it will be the end of our republic. Are you going to let these politicians purchase your vote by promising tax cuts that are not going to end up? We don't know how it's going to end up. Currently, it's just a blanket statement of no tax on tips. But I know I'm not for sale, and that you're not going to buy my vote by changing the tax code. That's the end of my rant.